The spacecraft known as Voyager 1, which embarked on its remarkable mission decades ago, still defies the boundaries of space as it travels far beyond what we once thought was possible. Considering the millions of miles it has traveled, regions of space previously uncharted by any other spacecraft, Voyager 1 has provided challenging new data. Everything we believe to be true about the outermost reaches of our solar system has been questioned. At the edge of our solar system, in a region known as the heliopause, Voyager 1 has stumbled upon something that scientists are calling a remarkable discovery. Voyager 1, which launched in 1977, had a distinct goal: to explore the outermost planets of the solar system, gather useful information, and possibly, eventually, cross the invisible boundary that separates our solar system from interstellar space. After successfully passing by Jupiter and Saturn, capturing unprecedented images and data, Voyager 1 continued its voyage. In 2012, it plunged into the vast unknown, becoming the first object of its kind to officially leave the solar system by traversing the heliopause and entering interstellar space. But now, more than 47 years since its launch, Voyager 1 has made another unexpected finding. It has detected something at the boundary of our solar system, something that scientists never anticipated. The heliopause is the region that denotes the Sun's outermost influence. Beyond this point, the solar wind ceases, and interstellar space begins. But what truly exists beyond this boundary? What lies in the unknown expanse? The heliosphere serves as a shield, created by the solar wind, protecting us from many dangerous cosmic particles. Yet, by crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 has been exposed to previously unstudied phenomena, things that challenge our current comprehension of physics. Recent data from Voyager 1 has left scientists perplexed. It has detected fluctuations in the magnetic field, a sort of vibration in interstellar space, that had no explanation up until this point. This is surprising, considering that theoretically, the region's magnetic field should be nearly constant. Yet these recent changes suggest there is unknown activity at the edge of the heliopause, previously undetectable. Scientists hypothesize that this could be a brand new form of energy, or a sign of forces in deep space that surpass our current understanding. Exactly what takes place at the outermost boundary of the solar system remains a mystery. Some scientists propose that these magnetic field fluctuations could be a form of energy we've never recorded before, perhaps echoes from the distant universe. However, the theories continue to become even more enigmatic. Could it be that something from outside the solar system is directly interacting with it? The possibility arises that these magnetic vibrations are responses to external phenomena, reactions of the heliosphere to a distant force in faraway space. Even though they are weak, the signals are constant and exhibit patterns never before observed. Another intriguing theory suggests that the heliopause might be compressed by some type of energy flow from the Milky Way, or even from beyond. This could be caused by stellar winds from nearby stars or perhaps by a distant, as yet unexplained phenomenon. If this theory is true, we may discover not only a brand new physical encounter, but also the possibility that our solar system is interconnected with other parts of the galaxy through these currents. For some scientists, this is not just an enlightening observation, it's a wake-up call. Voyager the first of may be uncovering an energy grid, or a similar system, at the outermost reaches of our solar system. If energy streams exist, we are witnessing the first ever look at a significant galactic connection, one we never imagined. This could dramatically change how we understand energy in the universe. Imagine this: these energy currents could create invisible bridges between stars and solar systems, allowing for energetic communication between distant points in the galaxy. If this is true, we might be on the verge of learning a fundamental structure of the universe, one that stretches across space and ties the entire galaxy together in a cosmic web. Voyager 1's mission has unquestionably been a journey into the unknown, a voyage with no reverse. Each signal it transmits back to Earth reminds us of how little we truly understand about our solar system. Despite being launched with technology dating back to the 1970s, data from Voyager 1 continues to exceed all expectations. Although its instruments are now outdated compared to modern technology, Voyager 1 remains our most valuable tool in exploring the frontier of our solar system. It is documenting phenomena we never predicted, continuing to be the sole witness in that far-off region. Even though it is now more than 23 billion kilometers from Earth, Voyager 1 keeps sending back invaluable data, each signal a distant call from the cosmic frontier. The discoveries of Voyager 1 push us to keep exploring, to create spacecraft able to go even farther, and to uncover the mysteries of the universe. Humanity's path is paved by Voyager 1 as it prepares us for the next space journey. Utilizing each piece of data that Voyager 1 returns, we take one step closer to a time when people could also cross that boundary. Perhaps one day, we will venture beyond the heliopause and discover exactly what lies beyond our sun's influence. Elon Musk, one of the most influential pioneers in space technology, has also kept a close eye on Voyager 1's mission and its revolutionary discovery. According to his words, this is a call to action for humanity. Musk believes that the information gathered by Voyager the 1st of May accelerate our efforts to create interstellar rockets capable of overcoming the limitations of current space technology. Musk's ambitions with SpaceX have always focused on deep space exploration, and this discovery has not only inspired him but also motivated the development of new technologies to venture even farther. Could the data provided by Voyager 1 ignite a new era of interstellar exploration? According to Musk, the recent findings show that the universe is full of mysteries yet to be solved, and we are just beginning to investigate them. He suggests that we cannot rule out the possibility of unknown life forms or biological phenomena interacting with our solar system in ways we don't yet understand. Although it may sound like science fiction, each discovery brings us closer to understanding whether we are truly unique in the universe. Every bit of data, every signal sent back by Voyager 1 from such great distances, is a step forward in solving that puzzle. Perhaps these signals will one day help us find evidence of life in interstellar space. Voyager 1 has crossed boundaries no other man-made object has ever reached. It has taught us just how vast and mysterious the universe truly is. As its journey nears its end, the questions it raises will continue to resonate, in the fields of science and beyond. We live on a small planet at the edge of an infinite galaxy. And now, because of Voyager 1, we know there are forces out there that go beyond our understanding. What else is waiting for us? Voyager 1 serves as a reminder that exploration is endless, and the next big discovery is always just around the corner. This journey across immense space is far from finished, and the findings of Voyager 1 serve as a reminder of how much we still have to learn about the universe around us. As Voyager 1 continues its silent journey through the cold vastness of interstellar space, each transmission reminds us that human curiosity knows no bounds. Even now, in its weakened state, the spacecraft keeps fighting against the harsh environment, dutifully sending home data from a realm untouched by any other machine. What lies ahead for Voyager 1? The answer, like much of the universe, remains cloaked in mystery. It will continue to drift, power fading, instruments slowly shutting down, until, one day, it falls completely silent. But even in silence, its presence will echo through history. It will remain out there, a tiny ambassador of Earth, carrying the golden record, a time capsule of humanity, of music, greetings, and sounds of life on our pale blue dot. It will become a relic of human existence, a message to the cosmos that we were here, that we dared to look beyond our skies, and that we dreamed of touching the stars. Long after the last signal fades, long after the Earth it came from has changed or even forgotten the moment of its launch, Voyager 1 will still be moving forward. Quiet, alone, eternal. A Voyager in every sense of the word. And so, we are left with questions. What will be the legacy of Voyager 1? Will future civilizations, human or otherwise, look back on its mission as the beginning of interstellar exploration? Will it be remembered as the first whisper across the stars? Or perhaps, one day, some other intelligence will find it. Perhaps, someone, or something, far removed from us in time and space will discover this humble craft and learn that, at one point, intelligent life existed on a small planet circling a modest star. In a universe so immense, so mysterious, so rich with possibility, Voyager 1 is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of endurance, of wonder, of the unrelenting desire to know. And as we look to the stars, building new technologies and preparing for future missions, we do so in the footsteps of Voyager, our silent pioneer, forever venturing into the unknown. The edge of our solar system, Voyager 1. Voyager 1 reveals more about space and the forces that influence it. The signals it returns are more than just technical readings, they are profound clues to the deeper workings of the universe. These readings test our perceptions and lead us into uncharted territory, opening up the potential for discoveries that could one day change the fundamental principles of physics. When we think about what Voyager 1 might be uncovering, we are faced with a profound concern for the future beyond the known boundaries of our solar system. For centuries, humanity has wondered what exists in the vast expanse of surrounding space. Voyager 1, the first object made by humans to return data from beyond the heliopause, is offering insights into a region where no spacecraft has ventured before. The data Voyager 1 is providing has the potential to alter our comprehension in ways we've never seen before. Scientists are eagerly anticipating studying these brand new readings. Changes that occur in the magnetic field, which Voyager 1 has detected at the edge of the solar system, may offer fresh insights into how stars, including our Sun, interact with the interstellar medium. These fluctuations could be the result of unknown forces or activities occurring just beyond our solar system's boundaries. Some researchers even suggest the possibility that these magnetic anomalies are the first signs of interstellar phenomena that have not yet been identified, phenomena that might challenge our current space models. While some of these theories may sound outlandish, the data from Voyager 1 is authentic, and it is pointing us in new directions. The possibility of interstellar currents, streams of energy flowing across vast distances of space, could be a key to understanding how galaxies and solar systems are connected. The discovery of such energy currents would be groundbreaking, showing that the cosmos is interconnected in ways we previously could not have anticipated. This hypothesis suggests that the solar system might not be an isolated system as we once thought. Instead, it could be part of a much larger cosmic network. These energy flows might act as bridges, linking distant stars, solar systems, and galaxies, creating a vast, interconnected web of energy across the universe. The data from Voyager 1 might one day prove that space is full of activity on its own, filled with unseen forces shaping the structure of the cosmos. This possibility is an exciting prospect for scientists and fans of space travel alike. The concept that our solar system could be connected to other star systems through energy, using magnetic fields or currents, opens up new avenues for exploration. It suggests that there is much more to discover beyond our own solar system and that humanity may soon be able to explore these connections in person. As we look to the future, the findings of Voyager serve as both a beacon and a challenge. The spacecraft's mission may be nearing its end, but the questions it raises will continue to inspire future generations of explorers. It has already opened the door to new areas of research, causing us to re-evaluate everything we thought we knew about space, and our place in it. Voyager 1's journey, which began nearly 5 decades ago, is still unfolding and providing us with ongoing data that will guide humanity's understanding of the universe. Elon Musk's remarks about Voyager 1's discoveries are particularly significant. As the founder of SpaceX and one of the most vocal advocates for interstellar exploration, Musk believes that the information gathered from Voyager could be useful in propelling humanity into a new era of space exploration. He sees this discovery as a call to action for the development of new technologies capable of overcoming the limitations of current spacecraft. Musk has long dreamed of sending humans to Mars and beyond. Voyager 1's findings only reinforce his vision of an interconnected, interstellar future for humanity. For the space community, including Musk and others, Voyager 1's breakthroughs are a reminder of how much more there is to discover in the universe. It is an invitation to continue expanding the boundaries of human knowledge. The knowledge derived from this mission could lay the groundwork for future technologies that will enable us to travel farther than we ever thought possible. Perhaps Voyager 1's discoveries will even serve as the catalyst for creating spacecraft capable of reaching distant stars and other galaxies. Looking beyond the technical implications of Voyager 1's mission, there are more philosophical questions posed by its findings. Are we the only ones in the universe? As scientists analyze the data Voyager 1 sends back, they are reminded that space is vast and filled with mysteries we do not yet comprehend. While the possibility of life on other planets remains speculative, the discoveries Voyager 1 has made challenge our assumptions about the nature of life and intelligence in the universe. Could these findings lead us closer to answering this age-old question? In the years to come, Voyager 1's discoveries may continue to surprise us, revealing new aspects of space and time that we never envisioned as a possibility. As we move further into the universe, each new discovery brings us closer to understanding its true nature and our location within it. Every data item Voyager 1 sends back is another step in our journey of discovery across the cosmos. Based on these findings, Voyager 1 has grown. It has evolved from a spacecraft to a symbol of humanity's quest for knowledge and exploration. It represents our curiosity, our desire to reach beyond the known, and our willingness to push the limits of what is possible. In that sense, the journey of Voyager 1 will never truly end. Even as it drifts farther away from Earth, it will continue to inspire those who dream of reaching the stars. As Voyager 1 continues its silent journey through interstellar space, its mission becomes more than just a scientific endeavor, it becomes a reflection of humanity itself. A reflection of our innate desire to explore, to seek, and to understand. Every signal that reaches Earth from Voyager is like a whisper from the edge of the unknown, reminding us that the cosmos is not empty, but alive with secrets waiting to be uncovered. Even though the spacecraft is billions of kilometers away, it maintains a fragile connection to its creators, a thread that ties us to the farthest reaches of space. This connection is a testament to human ingenuity and persistence. Launched in 1977 with technology far less advanced than what we carry in our pockets today, Voyager 1 has far exceeded its original mission. It has become a bridge between generations, between the early dreams of space pioneers and the ambitions of the future. Young scientists and engineers today look to Voyager not just as a piece of space hardware, but as a legacy. Its endurance in the harshest conditions imaginable serves as a metaphor for our own resilience, our ability to persist even when the path forward is uncertain. The spacecraft itself is also a time capsule. The famous golden record, carried on board, contains sounds, music, images, and greetings from Earth, a message to any form of life that might one day find it. It is a reminder that while we study the universe, we are also reaching out to it. We are not just observers, but participants in a cosmic story that stretches far beyond our own time. As long as Voyager 1 continues to send data, we will continue to listen. And even when it goes silent, its journey will not be in vain. It will carry our hopes, our questions, and our essence into the unknown. One day, perhaps centuries or millennia from now, another form of intelligence may come across this lonely traveler. And in doing so, they will find evidence of a species that dared to dream, a civilization that reached out into the vast darkness not with fear, but with wonder. Voyager 1 reminds us that space exploration is not just about rockets or probes, it's about vision. It's about the belief that we are part of something larger, something interconnected and grand. As our technologies advance, and as missions to Mars, Europa, and beyond begin to take shape, we must remember what Voyager has taught us, that even the smallest window into the cosmos can change everything. Its legacy is not confined to the realm of astrophysics or engineering. It touches art, philosophy, and the human spirit. It forces us to ask the big questions: who are we? Why are we here? And where are we going? And maybe, just maybe, Voyager 1, alone in the vastness of space, is already starting to answer those questions for us.